Your phone camera is spying on you. Turn off this hidden Android setting now. Smartphones today have powerful cameras, but they can also create privacy risks if not properly managed. Some apps may access your camera without your full awareness. Follow these steps to secure your Android device and protect your privacy. Step 1. Manage camera permissions. First, control which apps can access your camera. Go to the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Apps. Find and open the camera app on the menu. Tap on Permissions. You will see options such as Location, Microphone, Photos and Videos, and Nearby Devices. Turn off anything you do not need. Disabling location is especially important because it prevents tracking of where photos are taken. Step 2. Check all permissions. Some permissions are hidden deeper in the settings. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select all permissions. You may see options like Network Access or Run at Startup. These can allow apps to operate in the background or connect to the internet. Disable anything unnecessary to improve security. Step 3. Turn off Change System Settings. This setting allows apps to modify system behavior. Go back to the App Info page, scroll down and tap Change System Settings. Turn it off. This prevents the app from making changes to your phone without your knowledge. Step 4. Restrict battery usage. Apps running freely in the background can misuse permissions. Go back and tap Battery. You will see three options: Restricted, Optimized, and Unrestricted. Choose Restricted for the highest level of privacy or Optimized for balanced performance. Avoid leaving it on Unrestricted because that allows constant background activity. Step 5. Check camera usage history. You can see which apps have recently used your camera. Go back to Main Settings, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and open Permission Usage for the last 7 days. Select Camera. This will show a list of apps that accessed your camera recently. Step 6. Remove suspicious access. If you find unknown or suspicious apps, tap the three-dot icon. Select Manage Apps. Review the list of installed apps. Choose any suspicious app, open its permissions and select Deny. Try to keep the Allowed all the time list as empty as possible. Step 7. Set permission to Ask every time. For better control, change how apps request access. Open any app's permission settings, tap Camera. Select Ask every time. This ensures apps must request permission before using your camera. Step 8. Final check and restart. Close camera apps from the recent apps screen, restart your phone. This helps apply all changes and stops background processes. It is a good habit to regularly review app permissions. Many apps request more access than they actually need. Adjusting these settings can greatly improve your privacy and keep your personal data safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this.